Always the cookies are best when you bake at home than buying from the shops. There is a lot of hidden sugar and oil in the commercial cookies. I'm going to show you how to do coffee cookies. This is a very simple recipe that you can try at home. For this you will need about a tablespoon of milk, and into that add 1.5 teaspoons of instant coffee, and I use 1.5 from this, and 100 grams sugar, 150 grams self-raising flour. If you are using plain flour, make sure to add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder to plain flour, and a pinch of salt, 1 egg, 50 grams butter. So let's start doing it. When you do cookies, make sure that you always use the paddle attachment, not the whisk. Add the butter and the sugar into a mixing bowl and mix it about a minute on a low speed. Once it is soft, add the egg into it and mix again. After, it will look like this. Into that add the flour and the dissolved coffee, and mix on a low speed. Once it is ready, it will look like this. Take it out. So after, get a cookie scoop and get 1 scoop full and put it on a baking tray. After, using a back of a spoon, just press it down and make sure that you leave gap in between. So this goes to the preheated oven, 180 Celsius, about 15 to 20 minutes. The coffee cookies are ready, and this is how it looks like. If I break one to show you, I baked it a bit longer to get the crispy cookies. Then you can keep it longer, and they are really crispy, nice coffee cookies that you can try at home. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.